In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Add to Cart button in WooCommerce. Maybe you're turning your store into a simple product catalog, collecting inquiries instead of orders, or pausing sales during a seasonal update. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through a clean plugin-based approach that's easy to turn on and off. First, open your WordPress dashboard. In your browser, go to your site's domain followed by /wp admin, then sign in with an administrator account. If you manage multiple sites through wordpress.com, make sure you're in the dashboard for the correct site where WooCommerce is installed. Having admin access is important because we'll be installing and configuring a plugin. Next, we'll install a catalog mode plugin designed to hide purchasing features. In the left menu, go to Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce Catalog Mode. You'll see several options. Popular choices include Yith WooCommerce Catalog Mode and WooCommerce Catalog Visibility options. Check the plugin details to confirm it's compatible with your version of WordPress and WooCommerce, then click Install Now and activate. Using a dedicated catalog mode, plugin avoids custom code and makes it easy to reverse later. Now let's enable catalog mode. After activation, the plugin will add a settings page, typically under WooCommerce or under its own menu name. Open those settings. Look for options to disable Add to Cart buttons on your shop and product pages. Turn those off. Then locate the options to disable the cart page, and if you want to fully stop purchases, disable the checkout page as well. Disabling checkout is optional. Some stores prefer to hide only the buttons while still letting certain workflows continue, but for a true catalog experience, turning both off is common. Save your changes. Open your site on the front end and refresh a product page. You should no longer see the Add to Cart button. If you try to visit the cart, it should be blocked or redirected, and checkout should be unavailable if you disabled it. If you still see old buttons, clear your site and browser cache, and check in a private window. Some plugins also let you control visibility by user role, so administrators might still see purchasing options while guests do not. That's it. You've successfully disabled the Add to Cart button in WooCommerce using a catalog mode plugin with the cart and, optionally, checkout switched off. Whenever you're ready to resume sales, just revisit the plugin settings and re-enable those options.